Hey everybody, just going to show you how to remove a DVD-ROM from a Z420 here, quick. Start off by taking off the side cover. You got 3 tabs to release the faceplate. I'm going to start by pulling those off, like so. Kind of give it a wiggle there. Alright, got that. Pull off the SATA connector and the power connector. And then you got the release tab here. You got to pull up on that and then push simultaneously on the back of the optic drive, and it should slide right out. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple to do. Thanks for watching.